On 5th of January night, Karbi students leaders caught Nishan Jain along with 2 girls red-handedly when they were trying to practice illicit intercourse. But rather than apprehending them, police apprehended the leaders of KSA. Hence, on 14th of January, Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum KAWJF conducted a press conference over the shocking apprehensions of Karbi students leaders. During the press conference, Violet Bepi, president of Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum, informed that Nishan Jain, sons of Sri Mangal shop's owner at Diphu, practicing illegal activities in the name of business is not acceptable. And apprehensions of students leaders with false charge who actually caught Nishan Jain along with 2 other girls practicing illicit activities is also not acceptable, says Violet Bepi.
Sri Mangal su po ka batai do olo ku singiri tumhan kanu dan same lage statement ng pilo ma tenang thamlo la so pela prang da lang ni ke so ro phan son phalang do pilo ku singi tum adulong same ni tumalong mang ke nang lele da mo si tumang sini da lo ta no na mang ke da to ke so ni tum hekdulong si ta pen ka do be di tyo sa tum mc lang pensi la ke jokje.
Here is the visuals of Nishan Jain along with 2 other girls when KSA leaders caught them red-handedly. Adding a note to that, Violet Bepi also informed that arresting KSA leaders and leaving the main culprit Nishan Jain freely is a failure of law and order system, saying Violet Bepi. Also expressed her disappointment over the inaudible voice of social organizations over this matter.
La penon antame ampang asong kame atau putra kang samri atau korang ke ni tumata ningduk lo la pen kai ki usame kacoklem ki chok che tumang ke chok pongpo pula ki chok che ki jong tum han bang si lam hoi pipo mate law and order tum tame net bo hala bang ke chok che si kang sai buti pa man nang di.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.